Hi, garden rebels. I know what you're asking. Is it too late to be planting? And the answer is not at all. Of course, in our Pacific Northwest, we can plant pretty much year round. And I want to go over a technique that we have developed here about a way to save some money planting a container or hanging basket, and a way that you won't absolutely need a designer's eye to plant. You can plant it and folks will think that you're a designer yourself. I want to show you this. Okay, so here's the situation. You have the last year's pot, right? Maybe it's a passion pot. Maybe it's an old basket that's just sitting in the garage. Maybe it's a brand new basket that you ordered and it's arrived and you're really excited to plant. Here's the straight scoop. Perhaps you're running out of time and you like to get things planted. Or maybe it's just you wanting to save some money. Here's a way, straight and simple, that you can get right down to it. Use your old passion pot, use your old hanging basket, use your old container, and use a popper. What's a popper? A popper is something that we have grown and is ready to be transplanted. Just like that. It's kind of like a pie to go, except instead of cutting it into pieces, you can literally slip it out and put it right into your basket. It's that easy. Let's go over those steps. I love these lavenders and purples. Look at that double bloom on that calibrachoa. Isn't that amazing? We are gardening literally in the future. We're going to literally slide it out of the pie and into place. Make sure everything is nice and snug. Take the hanging ring back up, and I literally have an instant hanging basket. Great for if you have a party coming up and you need a nice looking hanging basket and full looking right away. And yes, same thing goes from the passion basket that you bought last year. If you have that pot, we have that popper. Same steps apply. We're gonna fill this up with free container power soil, add in our root power, and then go choose our popper. So I've just grabbed a large popper and it literally fits right into the passion basket. Perfect size. By the way, take a look at this guy. This one's called Night Sky. Isn't that a cool petunia? Got those German geraniums in there. We call them German geraniums. And Santa Vitalia too. This guy right here is a secret weapon. That one will bloom and show off that yellow later in the summertime, and it just goes to town. But really easy. Put it right in and we have an instant basket. Again, saved us some time, saved us some money. Yes, of course, poppers don't have to be just for hanging baskets. They can be planted in all of your containers as well. Again, popping them out of the planter and right into the pot. It's that easy. Stand like this, popper. It's amazingly fun, by the way. You would just never know that this particular basket was planted not more than 5 minutes ago. Just wanted to share that with you. We're very excited to start this program, very excited to expand it. Saves time, saves some money. Everyone will think you're a garden designer. Guys, that's the show for the day. Always live your passion. And believe it or not, it also works for those really strange, odd-shaped planters as well. Something like